piggy. 2 little piggies. 3 happy piggies. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3.
Come along and count with me. Little piggies, 1, 2, 3. Jump and play, laugh and sing. Counting fun for everything. 1 little piggy, splash, splash, splash. Jumping in the muddy puddle. 2 little piggies, giggle and play. Making muddy bubbles all day. 3 little piggies, stomp their feet. Splashing mud is such a treat. 4 little piggies, jump up high. Waving their hooves beneath the sky. 5 little piggies, dance around. Making happy splashes all over town. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Little piggies, come alive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Splash and laugh and count tonight. 6 little piggies, blow, blow, blow. Watch the rainbow bubbles grow. Up they float, nice and slow. Spinning gently as they go. 7 little piggies dance in a line. Wiggle and giggle, they're feeling fine. Step to the left, step to the right. Dancing together with pure delight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Little piggies, come alive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Splash and laugh and count tonight. 8 little piggies flying high. Zooming their planes across the sky. Over the clouds and through the blue. Flying together, me and you. 9 little piggies holding balloons. Floating gently under the moon. Up they go so big and bright. Dancing with balloons in the morning light. 10 little piggies march along. Dancing to their happy song. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Counting piggies is so sweet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count our piggies once again. Oink, oink, hooray today. We counted all the way. 10 little piggies, friends so fine. Come back soon and count next time.
Oink, oink! Thank you so much for watching. If you had fun, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more learning fun. Oink!